current, what's happening in your family line. This is touching this. So if you want to understand what this magic can really do, I suggest you learn from other people first before putting your hands on it, especially when it comes to this tantric stuff. There's a lot of tantric witch covens running around and they just grinning and stuff. And I'm like, man, y'all need to read y'all books, sister, because, man, y'all are calling upon something that is not going to delay. It is here now. And you're going to see all of that you've been playing around with. Shoot, you better call the Ghostbusters. That's why right now I was like, man, you know what? I saw what it was. We bought Spirit Tech Online in the future, and it built stuff to stop all of this mess for people who wanted to actually back it off of their reality. We built infrastructures that actually allowed us to be fortified against the tirade taking on place in the cities, especially as their new networks come online. You already know this 4G, strong AI, all of these different things, the wavelengths, all that stuff, man, just pull out and go into a blue zone and let them see if they can fade a cicada. Good luck. You'll fade before the cicada fade. You see what I mean? Like, go where your beings are. Go where your totems are. Go where your power is. People, you ain't running scared. Like, get out of that shit. That's what I'm telling you. It's like, pack up. But you got to get your current first, because you go out there, nature will swallow you. It'll reject you coming out there with a virus. It'll either try to heal you or it will reject you. Come anyway. Forget it, because it'll eventually get to you. You keep coming. Just keep coming back. You know what I mean? Whatever happened, I got bit. Yeah, just keep coming back. So here's how it works.